Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable stacking on siteground. I just tap on Safari browser and first thing you will have to create account and just buy this package. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of siteground, please go through the link in description. And after you logging in, how to access the siteground stacking tool. So siteground stacking tool is accessible through your site tools. As we currently offer the stacking option for WordPress only, you will find a shortcut to the tool in your site tools, WordPress and stacking. So just tap on this stacking after you create your account. And how to add sites to the siteground stacking tool. You have installed WordPress manually, you have to add it to the stacking tool and do this click on add existing. So just tap on it, and if you have installed your app in a subfolder, select the domain and type in the directory it's installed in. Finally press and add to list this installation in the stacking tool. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.